So, in 2014, I played this awesome game called Far Cry 4. It was set in Nepal and had an amazing open world with so many things to do, weapons, cars to drive. But one thing I really loved about that game was this, a gyrocopter. It's like a small helicopter, but it was completely open from all sides, and I loved flying it. And I always thought that if it was possible, I would like to do this in real life someday. Luckily, modern gyrocopters and planes are much more advanced and safe, and I finally got to try one in Dubai.
Hi Ishan, welcome to Skydive Dubai Gyrocopter section. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, very good.
Excited?
Yeah, very excited.
Very excited.
Yes,
okay, I will fly with you. I will show you Dubai from the sky.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Let's go.
Okay.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
How you feel now?
Amazing, sir, amazing. It's a wonderful experience. You feel like a bird. You can see so many things like which you can't see from the ground. It's amazing.
You like
Love
it?
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you very much.
Do it again soon.
Thank you very much for flying with us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So, that was fun. One more thing of my gaming inspired things to do. Thank you for watching. Bye.